Because I'm going to be the mercenary here, which side do you want to get? What do you want to take me? I'm just the objective here.
Should we go left to mosque?
I want you to stay into the middle building.
Side of the,
right side.
Let's go.
We just have to watch that one blind corner.
Yep.
The first blind corner, they're going to have somebody right there, and they're going to have somebody in that doorway. And
on this side of the door.
And then we can lock them down in their spawn from there too.
Somebody's going to, you're going to have to have like a fire team.
Small group goes to the left. Yeah, why don't you handle that?
Get it. On the left with me?
10 minutes.
Three guys.
We're gonna watch the VIP.
Are they responding in the purple room?
No, they're responding in the breach room.
Yep.
Yeah.
So the right side has two jobs. Clear out the area that we need to get into and keep them in their spawn.
So the left side will just clear the mosque.
Mosque and then keep crossfire down and kill the guys.
If you can get past the mosque, you can shoot straight into that area
Yep.
and get them out of it.
Because they have a decent amount, remember, they will be pushing us.
Yep.
You want to come?
VIP needs to stick in the middle building.
Okay.
Until we call him
We
up.
can slowly move them around over here.
Yeah, let's keep him in the middle building and then we'll take him up when we're clear.
Okay, who wants to go with me while I sacrifice myself so they can shoot whoever's there? They're going to have to be right on my 6. I'm going to run through their shooting. They're going to have to basically clear out. There's going to be a person on the right. There's going to be a person on the left.
I'm not doing that. I'm going with you. Sorry.
Yeah, I'll take the hit, but they can shoot whoever's behind me. But they're going to have to stay right with.
Who else should we bring with us?
Rocky, you want to come with us? Or you're going to stick with them? Okay. He's going to stick with VIP. We need at least 2. Let's go. Oh, we need more than that.
And get ready and make
We need like 4.
Not bang.
We need like 4 people. Are you guys coming with us? Sure. You?
Everybody with the bang
Moss?
kill. Make sure you say it twice.
All right, we got our 4.
Bang, 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 you're dead. Something more than
Oh.
Kill. 2 syllables. Enunciated clearly.
Then I shouldn't have taken a couple of those.
Enunciated clearly. And you know what? It is courteous of you to take them even if they don't complete it, but you know.
All right.
3 lines. 3 lines.
Behind the pole. Behind the pole.
Oh.
Except for me.
Yeah, we'll go straight. We'll go.
Hey, you 2 stay with us.
Yeah, they're gonna go first. They'll get the mosque before we will.
Oh, they will?
Yeah, they will. They're closer. Go. Is that friendly?
Hey, friendly!
Friendly! Fake out!
Same team over here! Hey! That's us!
We're not shooting at you!
I think there's a guy right there.
You think? There's somebody like right on the other side of this corner. I got it. Fake out! Please don't come any of us other.
I think you got him and then I got you. So, yeah,
Hold this corner, I'm gonna go around. You got me. Shit. Got hit a lot? My boot keeps coming untied.
I raised my hand to call in, and then they hit me like fucking 20 times.
Yeah. I'll wait for you. Huh? Said I'll wait for you. And you.
One respawn, right?
No, we get infinite. Infinite. Infinite respawn. 2 only for the VIP, but it changed to 1.
Oh, did it?
Yes.
Really?
Yep. Attackers have infinite. They only get 2. So we should be taking them pretty heavily now. Did you get him?
That guy around the corner to the mom.
Friendly.
No.
Friendly.
Okay, you
Oh,
got
nope.
quick shot?
You just got, yeah, I got a few shots.
Yeah, that's just the wall.
There's a guy in that room right that way.
Where?
Right across behind him.
Can I shoot it through the burlap?
You can shoot.
You done the kill room?
Oh, yep. Oh, hello. Yeah, he's in the spawn. We got a guy in the morgue?
That's what we call it.
Okay, I know where that's at. Heads up. I can cut through that burlap. Good? Yeah, let's get you this way. Let's get you this way. All right, guys, come on, infinite respawn. We get a little pushy here. Let's go. Hit. You got shot by a friendly too. Well, we got infinite respawn, so let's use them.
I'm just letting you know.
Huh?
I'm just letting you know. I saw a bunch run right down the left side. So I'm
On the left? Oh, I see one, yeah. Hey, buddy! Hey! Watch your rear. Watch your rear. I think so. Oh no, that's friendly. Get on that window. You want to breach this with me? All right, I'll keep you covered. You go. Okay? Ready? Go. Go! Ah, you can't wait, man. They're gonna get us from that spawn. I'm changing. Oh shit! One cross! Okay. It's all right. Get him in there. Go. Hey. Get in through this hallway. I think you just got hit. Hit. Good shot. I think we got it. Good shit, guys. Oh wait, we're switching sides. Why did I just clear my weapon?